Hi there. This is KH Khan from Specialist CFO, who provides most sought after business and financial advice, learning, support, and apply knowledge to solve entrepreneurs' problems and improve their businesses with new opportunities. In this presentation, I am going to cover the very important topic of the key considerations you need to take your business to the next level by applying digital transformation. Number one, what are the issues that we are facing today? Digital transformation is here to stay and will grow. We have seen massive growth in this area in recent days. With the changes in the global and economic landscape, it has definitely become a more pressing way for businesses to move forward, and this cut across all sectors of the economy. Now, let us get our definition right before we mention further about digital transformation. What is digital transformation? Well, it is a process of devising new business applications that integrate all the digitized data and digitalized applications. And digital transformation is closely related to digital strategy, which refers to strategy that builds competitive advantage through the effective use of digital technologies by its people to achieve a desired business outcome. Do you know that from a MIT Center for Digital Business survey, about 26% of companies experience increase in profitability as they embrace digital transformation? And from another survey by IDT, about 90% of executives regard digital transformation as important for their business strategy. So by now, the need for digital transformation has grown even more. Number two, we need to consider what are the other priorities. Before you get into embarking on a digital transformation journey, first, you should conduct a prioritization survey of your own business. Businesses faces different priorities. In order to get your priorities right, you need to consider the following. One, review the various business scenarios that you are facing today. List them out and rank them in terms of must do, nice to have, or can wait. Two, how does it align with your core business strategy? Is it matching and keeping you focusing on your final goal? And three, can you afford to remain status quo? Show this in terms of financial outcome. This is very important because when you see the numbers, you know your direction. Number three, we need to consider some very key questions. And this boils down to some very pertinent points. One, can you do without digitalizing your business? Again, express it in financial numbers. You will then see the impact. And from there, what is the probable return on investment with digital transformation? Here, do a with and without scenario to understand the differences and the pros and cons. Number four, we need to consider what are the various decision alternatives to be decided. It is not all about technology, but about strategy and business model. Many jumps into a digital transformation being attracted by the pull factors, but forget some most important factors like how it relates to strategy, business model, and the readiness of its people to embrace it. In fact, many fail because of these factors. So therefore, some of the key considerations and decision is, one, how to get it started from the top. Leaders and leadership matters. They are very important to set the tone, message, body language, and direction, and this has to be clear to all levels of the organization. Two, How to educate your people on the need to change. What kind of training is required? Number 3, how to break silos and understand integration of various information sources to bring them into one understanding. And number 4, how to promote team diversity and collaboration in the digital space. Remember to conduct all this in a two-way communication for most effective results. Now we come to the very important part that relates to tasks. What are the specific actions to take? To embrace digital transformation in a comprehensive manner, carry out the following specific actions. 1. Brainstorm about the digital strategy with your team. What are the new insights and business alignment required? 2. Conduct scenario planning to test out various options, ranging from planning to implementation to realization. Remember to look into the details. These are very important. Otherwise, it can be a very costly affair. 3. Express your scenario in financial terms again. Be realistic about your investment and timing. Always plan for the downside. Number 4, identify and collect the needed data. What kind of data that is required? Where are these data and how to collect them in a useful way to further your insights? And lastly, develop a tracking mechanism on the progress of your various scenario planning. Have a very clear go, no-go decision matrix. Well, I hope that you find some very valuable insights here that can help your business to consider and take action in digital transformation. Hey, if you enjoy this, I have similar ones coming up in the future that are even better. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification button below so you don't miss it. Also, if you would like to learn more about business and the power of finance, please join us in the Facebook group link and check us out in our website located in our YouTube page.